Good afternoon, welcome. This is JAMB year 2010 Government Objective Past Question. Question number 3. The question here says a fundamental component of political culture is dash. A fundamental component of political culture is dash. Now, first of all, what is political culture? Political culture political culture is the summation or totality of political practices and activities of 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 a particular country. Now, option A says community structure, option B says family values, option C say economic values, option D say social values. And when we say something is pertain a country or the whole society, that it means that it affects everybody, so it cannot be a community based culture or structure. Then as well, it cannot be a family based values, it cannot be a sectional values, which is economy, so it's a social values or social norms. So a fundamental component of political culture, which is fundamental, which is a major aspect of political culture, is social values, because social values affect every member of that country or citizenry of that country. So anything related to social values is pertain, or it is a concept that affects every member of that country. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.